Alright guys, welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn something very important in JavaScript called DOM Traversal. Now, if you already know how to select elements by using getElement by ID or query selector, that's great. But what if you want to move around the page from one element to another? For example, from a child to its parent, from a parent to its children, from one element to its next or previous sibling. That movement inside the HTML structure is what we call DOM Traversal. By the end of this video, you will clearly understand parent element, children, first element child, last element child, next element sibling, and previous element sibling. Before touching JavaScript, let's understand this HTML. We have a div with an ID of container. Inside this div, we have one h1 and 3 paragraphs. This means the div is the parent and everything inside it are the children. Also, all the p tags are siblings because they are on the same level, right? So we are going to write our third p element right now. Alright, so this is it, and let's go to our JavaScript. Beautiful. Let's go to JavaScript. So here I'm selecting the paragraph with the ID second. I'm storing it inside a variable called second paragraph. This element will be our starting point for DOM Traversal. Now I'm logging it. Right now I'm using after writing the second paragraph, I'm using the parent element. What this does is very simple. It moves up the DOM. Since the paragraph is inside the div, JavaScript returns the div with the ID of container. So we just come to our browser, or let's minimize this, and let's go to the console. Alright, so we refresh the page first. So we go to the console, and you can see it showed us the parent, which is the container that has the h1 and the 3p elements. So let's go back to our code. So we are just going to select all of these and cut it. So here I selected the container div. Then this is the container div here with the ID of container, and I'm going to log it next. So yeah, we're just going to log this. So write the console.log, and then I use the .children. This returns only the HTML element inside, not text or space. In this case, JavaScript gives us the h1, the first p, the second p, and the third p. So this is everything here. Alright, so great. Notice that the .children gives us an HTML collection which looks like an array, but is not exactly an array. So we go to the next part, the first element child. It gives us the first element, the first child element, which is the h1, and the last element child gives us the last element, which is the third paragraph. These are very useful when you don't know how many elements are inside the parent. Alright, so this is it, and we are just going to clear all of these we are going to be using the second paragraph again to look at the next siblings and the previous siblings. Alright, so here we're just trying to call back the second paragraph that we stored already. So now we are moving sideways, not up or down. Right, so next sibling select the element immediately after the current one. Since second paragraph is followed by the third paragraph, that's what JavaScript returns. And we look at the previous sibling here, and the previous sibling shows us the previous sibling, and you can see it's the first p. Let's quickly summarize everything so it sticks in your head. Parent element moves up, children moves down, first element child is the first child, last element child is the last child, next element sibling moves right, previous element sibling moves left. DOM Traversal is simply about moving around your HTML structure using JavaScript. If this video helped you understand DOM Traversal clearly, make sure you like the video and subscribe.